back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm trying out a slightly different style of makeup tutorial over here on YouTube. So as you may know, I do makeup tutorials on my Instagram. They're usually between like a minute and a half long. But today what I wanted to do was take some of the Halloween looks that I've been doing on my Instagram. I've been literally posting like a Halloween makeup look every day. If you want to check that out, then this is the username here. It's just glambyflo, same as my YouTube, or the link will be in the description. But yeah, basically what I wanted to do was take some of the Halloween looks that I've been doing over there and bring them onto YouTube and put a little bit of a description, a little bit of a breakdown of what I'm doing. So if you fancied recreating some of these Halloween looks, it just makes it a little bit easier for you. One more last thing that I want to say before we get into the actual video is the face paint that I'm using most of the way through this video is this little palette here. It's got a bit disgusting and battered up because I literally use it all the time. But I literally just got this palette off, I think, Amazon for £15 or something. I'll link it in the description. But this is what I'm using for this. It is oil-based, but you guys can pretty much use whatever you want. So yeah, I've just put together, I think, 5 looks from my Instagram. Some of them are gory, some of them are glam. There's a whole range of different stuff. So hopefully you will find something that you like, and don't forget to send me any photos if you recreate any of these looks or tag me in them or whatever. I love seeing when you guys recreate my looks. So yeah, let's get into the video.
You'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption ever came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread with the angels. Fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment, cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. you